Ladies and gentlemen, next you're going to see an interview of a film actress. Hope you enjoy.
But it's a love and affection everyone calls Sue.
Sue, no need. Just a Gandhi is enough.
Yeah?
No, madam.
Okay, next question.
Madam, what's your age, madam?
Yes, nice question. I like this question.
Thank you, madam.
Actually, I am 20 years old, but I want to get done now.
Yeah.
I want to get done now. That is why.
Madam, don't tell lie, madam.
Lie? Why should I lie? Nonsense. I'm only 20 years old. No one believes me. Every time you tell I am lying. If you don't believe me now, 10 years ago one of your same reporters has come. Delete it now.
Okay.
I'm doing the same age. 20 years. You can verify.
Okay, madam. Be relaxed, madam.
Yeah.
Madam, some rumors came, madam.
Yeah.
Madam, have you got married, madam?
Nonsense again. It's public. Any new actress calls me. Have you got married? You got married with director, cameraman. Nonsense. My grandmother didn't get married. My mother didn't get married.
Okay, madam. Madam, be relaxed, madam.
Next question.
Madam,
Yeah.
your father, I mean your papa, is going to direct a movie, madam.
Actually, first I would like to tell you, I don't call my father Papa. You
Why,
know
madam?
why?
Why?
You know why?
Why?
Because if I call Papa, my lipstick will go Papa. So I call only Daddy.
Okay.
I call Daddy is directing one movie.
Madam,
Yeah.
all are telling
Yeah.
this time you are going to getting good performance award, madam.
Yeah, very true. Even I heard that. Actually, it is one old story on Rama, Sita and all is there.
Madam, Ramayana?
Ramayana. Yeah. Actually, this is one Hindi movie.
Madam, name, madam?
Yeah, I'm telling you now. Hi Rama, ye kya hua? Hi Rama, ye kya hua?
Madam, once again tell me, madam.
Hi Rama, ye kya hua?
Okay.
Actually, that one dance item is also there. That song is something like this. Rama, oh Rama, Langa mein hangama ho gaya. Rama, oh Rama, Langa.
Okay, madam. Madam!
Oh, sorry. I could just got carried away. Yeah.
Madam, anything special is there, madam?
Yeah, very much special.
Oh,
Actually, in that my role, you know what it is?
madam, you are Sita?
No.
Then?
I'm not Sita. Actually, that one villain is there, 10 heads and
Madam, Ravana?
Ravana. What one beautiful sister.
Madam, Surpanaka, madam?
Very true. Actually, I'm doing the role of Surpanaka. And in that one speciality is there, you know. What it is?
What, madam?
Actually, in that I didn't put any makeup. Directors tell no need to put any makeup.
So, that is a lot of money.
Yeah?
No. Nothing, madam. Madam?
Next question. Excuse me.
Okay, madam.
Hello? Yeah. It is because it is not, it is of course. Yeah? No. Yeah. Actually, one interview, one dating you.
Madam, India's number one newspaper, madam.
India. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. No. Ayyo, no. I'll call after some time. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Next question.
Madam, interview over, madam.
Interview over? Nonsense. What short interview? If other people get lot of big interview.
Okay, madam. Madam, if I get one cup of tea or coffee, madam?
Tea or coffee?
Why are you laughing, madam?
Tea or coffee, actually, I remember a joke, you know. I made that joke.
What joke, madam?
Very nice joke. Actually, I went to a restaurant, okay? There the waiter is asking me, Madam, you want tea or coffee? So, such a nice joke I told.
What, madam?
Yeah.